Hi everyone, welcome back to Foodie Pinoy. Today, we're going to make Chicken Macaroni Salad. This is super easy to make and commonly served as a side dish. Let's start. First, we're going to boil 200 grams of chicken breast for about 15 to 20 minutes. Then set aside and let it cool in room temperature. In the meantime, let's prepare the other ingredients. Chop 1 carrot into small cubes. Do the same with the cheese and then minced 1 small onion. While we are waiting for the chicken to cool, boil water in a pot and cook 2 cups of macaroni according to package instructions. Once the macaroni are al dente, drain the water and give it a quick bath in running water to prevent from overcooking. I think our chicken is cool enough to handle. Cut the chicken and shred the meat into tiny strips. Okay, we are done with the tedious part. The next step is to combine all the ingredients. In a large bowl, combine the macaroni, chicken, carrots, cheese, pineapple, onion, raisins, and mayonnaise. The complete measurements of the rest of the ingredients can be found in the comment section below. Give it a mix to make the ingredients blend well with each other. Add the pepper and sugar and mix until they are well distributed. Give it a taste to check if there is a need for adjustments. In my case, my macaroni salad is a bit dry and lacks flavor. So I added a spoonful of mayonnaise and a pinch of salt to enhance the taste. I also added more pineapple chunks and grated cheese. These adjustments really improve the taste of my macaroni salad. Cover and refrigerate for 2 hours before serving. Here's our chicken macaroni salad. If you're thinking of what to prepare on your group potluck, try to make this recipe. This is easy to prepare and your friends will surely love it. Enjoy! Hi guys! Did you like this recipe? Let us know in the comment section below. Hit like if you enjoyed this video. This will help us know that you are enjoying our content. If you haven't subscribed yet, click subscribe button and make sure to click also the bell icon so you'll get notified once we release new videos. Until next time, this is Foodie Pinoy saying goodbye and it's a wrap!